the road and it is not designed for kayaking. Ooh, also my seat is wet and now so is my rear end. Okay. Wow, the road is flowing. The noise you hear in the background is the people trying to pull my mom's van out. I'm not looking. Helps to have the paddle pointed the right way. Okay. Wow, I'm paddling across the road. I can't believe this is my road. I can't believe the people who live at the country club are all freaking out because they have to drive out of their way in order to get out, whereas this is my way. Ooh. Oh yeah, coasting along, coasting along. Woohoo! Made it.